We're going to start with the toaster, and we're going to go straight line down, across, and back up, and we're going to do curved corners all the way around. Then this will be the opening of the toaster, and it's a very long rectangle with rounded corners. This is the little handle. It's shaped sort of like the letter D on the side. And then we need little feet at the bottom, so these are little U shapes. This is the one that's in the back. And then one line there. I'm going to make the toast. Alright, this line down, across, back up, and then this part kind of curves out and curves back in. We're going to repeat that same shape on the inside to make the crust. I'm going to add a little thickness to it, so we're going to do a little line here, here, and down here. Now you're going to curve around and down and back over the bottom, and then come back up to this corner. I'm going to add a little face. I'm going to do 2 upside down U's, and then a letter D on the side for its mouth, 2 little stick arms